Hello everyone, my name is Sanjay Bharti. Hope you are doing well. This is my next video on Trellix DLP series. Before start this video, I request you please watch my previous videos. In my previous videos, I have explained you how to install Windows Server 2016 and promote it as a domain controller. Or also I have already told you how to install and configure database server because of all these components also used for the configuration of DLP server. Today, I'll explain you how to install EPU, ePolicy Orchestrator Management Package Tool application. It is the core application. Why am I called it is a core? Because of you can find Windows Server from the Windows team or the SQL or database information from the database team. But if we are talking about the ePolicy, it should be done by the EPU admin. Okay, so let's begin. Start the live demonstration. Just log in the Google Chrome and paste this URL. Okay, I have already put this URL. Once you put this URL, it will ask for your the credentials, user ID and password and grant number. These information will be provided to you only from your OEM. Okay, this is the package. Just click on this package. Once you click, the download has been begun. But for the time saving, we have already downloaded it. Okay, so I'm just pause this download and reach the download folder. Here you can see it is a download package. First of all, we extract this package and move a Windows server. We have already do this. So launch our Windows server and logged in. See, have a look. This is the package already extracted. Okay, double click on this folder and catch the setup file. Double click on setup file to start the installation. In the beginning, it is looking for the domain controller as well as database information. Click on next. Next. First of all, it is searching for the domain controller. Next, it is searching for the SQL server, database information. Now we have reached the database information. You can see that database information. Just write the name of the database server. Means on which server you have installed the database. Just write the server name. In my scenario, the server name is DC server. And here put the database name. This is the server name. Database server name means this which server you have installed. This is the database name. Okay. From where you can find the database name, just go to the run. Click on services.msc. Click on SQL. Double click on it. This is the SQL Server instance name or database name. Just copy it and paste here. Okay, put the domain name. Okay, just put this SA account. And the port number. SQL Server TCP port number is 1433. By default, it is only a 1433. Now it is verifying the information which we have provided right now. There are 3 warnings, just let it them. Click on finish. As I click on finish, the final installation has been begun. These are the all port numbers which is required while to use a ePolicy orchestrator application. Okay, just note it down or take the screenshot of that. This is the SQL Server port number 1433. Console to application server communication port 8443. Okay, agent to server communication port 443. Client to server authentication port 8444. Click on next. This is the important part. By default, this is the user ID. This user ID used for the login EPO server or EPO application. Provide the password. Keep this user ID and password in safe place. This is the fast passwords. It will used when if you are doing any disaster recovery. If your application goes down, if you need to recover this server, this application, this password will be required. Okay. It can't be recovered by the Trellix. So please keep it in your safe place. Click on next. Right now we don't have a license key, so go for the evolution version. Click on next. Okay. Accept the license agreement. Click OK. And then next. It will take approx 30 minutes to 40 minutes to installation. So I'm just pause this video. Once the installation has been begun, we will resume. Installation is still going on. It will take more 5 minutes to finish the installation. The final stage is coming. Yes, the installation has been completed. Just click on finish. Now we will check the installation has been done properly or not. For that, we just logged in EPU portal. Now try to log in. Put the port number. Enter. Click on advanced. Proceed to log in the server. There was a glitch in Google Chrome. Now I'm trying to log in. EPU server. Just write https://DC server the port number 8443. Click on enter. Provide the credentials while you have set during the installation. Click on menu and check it is the EPU build version. EPU ePolicy Orchestrator on-prem 5.10, build 4098. Update installed Service Pack 1. And the time to installation 2nd of May 2025, 11 a.m. Sorry, 11 p.m. The user ID is admin. So that's all in my video. We will get back to you on my next video. So don't forget to watch my next video.